Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
We're excited to learn with you.
It's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's start now.
Today is a very special day because it's BBQ Day.
And we are inviting some special guests too.
The grill's ready. Let's get everyone together.
This is going to be the best.
I helped Mom with the table and I want it to look nice for the guests.
Wow, Maya, the flowers look very lovely.
Oh no, I cannot see anything.
The smoke's getting you.
It's fighting back.
Time to eat?
Yay! Mom, I am very hungry. Can I eat this?
No, Leo, you cannot eat it now because it is not cooked, and you must wait.
Something smells wonderful over here.
It really does. It must be from the party.
Yeah, it smells like a barbecue.
I love days like this.
Hello, Mark. Hello, Sarah. The weather is perfect for a barbecue. Come over and join the party.
Thank you for inviting us. We bring an apple pie for dessert, and I hope you like it. That is very kind, Sarah. Thank you. Please make yourself at home.
The grill looks great. Ethan, do you need any help with the meat? I'm good, thanks. Just need to get the timing right.
Please have some water, Sarah. By the way, how is your new life here? I really love it here, Grace. It is much quieter than our old place. Please have some water, Sarah. By the way, how is your new life here? I really love it here, Grace. It is much quieter than our old place. That is good to hear, and I hope you feel comfortable in your new home.
So, Mark, why did you move to this area? And why did you choose this place? Well, I got a new job at the city center, so we needed to move closer.
Moving to a new house is very hard for us and we feel tired and stressed. But we are lucky because we have kind neighbors. Yes, we will never forget how you helped us yesterday.
Oh no, look at those dark clouds. It is starting to rain very heavily. It seems like new neighbors are moving in next door.
Please, I need to get everything inside before it gets soaked.
Oh no, please stop raining. My books are getting wet. Help! Ouch, my leg hurts and I cannot move this furniture fast. Don't worry, we are coming to help you right now.
Kids, grab the umbrellas and follow me. Hurry up.
Let's go. Pull the cover tight and don't let water go inside.
Give me the heavy books. I will carry them inside for you.
Run fast, Mom! I will protect you from the rain!
Oh, one last box. I got this. It is very heavy. Thank you so much. And you are the best neighbors. We are all wet now, but at least we are happy. Okay, everyone. The meat is ready. Thank you again, Ethan. Now, let's enjoy this delicious food.
Please sit down here, Sarah. Mark, you can sit next to Ethan.
Oh, wow! Look at this! It is bigger than my face.
Okay, everyone. Let's clean up the table together before we eat dessert.
I will help you carry these dirty plates to the kitchen. Grace? I will clean the table now and I will throw the trash away.
Come on, Leo. We need to make space for the yummy apple pie. Here is the homemade apple pie.
I love sweet food, so I can eat more.
Yes, Leo is right. And we can always eat apple pie. Did you live far from here before you moved here? Yes, Maya. We lived in a busy city and there were many tall buildings.